Hi everyone, welcome back to High End Ride in collaboration with Redwire Customs and Break a Leg. This is actually part 2 of an extended series where we'll be pairing a Yamaha jog for Spa Kart Racetrack, possibly in April or May this year. So today we actually have a little premiere for the channel, as we'll be hitting the dyno to analyze the performance of a 2FAST 70cc cylinder and have a closer look at the fine-tuning going on at Robin Racing. By looking at some strange lines, these pros kinda get a direction of what's going on with the bike. We're mainly concerned about the fuel ratio being way too high.
Wat is de conclusie?
Stationair, de pilot jet moet dus aangepast worden aan de kleinere. De stationairspoeier die wordt aangepast, maar ook de main jet die wordt aangepast. De 162 daar gaat waarschijnlijk een kleinere in gaan.
Ja, oké.
Maar we gaan hem eerst eens vol gas testen.
After some runs, we still noticed the problem with the fuel ratio. Strange to this story is that the block was delivered with a guarantee of hitting 28 horsepower. So what went wrong? We eventually decided to lower the main jet one more time.
Ik zou gewoon bij wijze van test Als Arjan zegt 150, dat zit echt in de lijn van hetgeen dat ik nu zie. Ja, dus ik zou zeker die 150 zeker durven proberen. Zien we dat hij echt de neiging heeft van want de laatste runs hebben we ook iets langer laten doortrekken. Ja, en het vermogen bleef gewoon constant. En op het moment dat het vermogen begint af te bouwen, dan stoppen we de run sowieso.
To translate this to English, we're coming down from a 160 main jet with a 70cc cylinder on a 28mm carb. That's 10 sizes bigger than my 100cc Polini Evo. So that's a bit strange. The dyno showed us some better results though, but there's a little glitch to this dyno. Timing and opening of the throttle is pretty important to read the exact performance of this run. So we have to take this with a grain of salt and just watch next performances. So yeah, to be honest, this looks like we're heading the right direction, but these are actually just a few bad runs. The fuel ratio still seems a bit off. Stay tuned to find out what the origin of the problem was. We're eventually gonna find out. But for now, we're still stuck with a dilemma, and we couldn't resist to find out what the ignition timing was, and if we could improve the performance of timing it a bit earlier. Alright, so we must admit this is kinda disappointing. We're finally gonna find out what's holding back a few horses though. But at this very moment I remember us all being so bummed. The graph showed an indication where to look at, so that's what we're gonna keep for next video. Please stay tuned if you like this kind of videos by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell to turn on all notifications. Please stay safe until then, and take care.
Yeah.